Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Take the question.
Sir, please explain us how can we use let according to spoken English.
Okay. So guys, today we are going to learn about late according to spoken topics. Guys, generally we use late topics when we speak English according to practical methods, okay? And let is very useful, we can say most useful, very important topic in the spoken English. So guys, I will tell you today two patterns how can we use late topics according to spoken English. Is that clear?
Yes,
So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay guys, start now. Guys, first of all, we can use as a permissions. Guys, for example, if you are using a permission method in the spoken English, then you can use a trick that first of all you have to use like late, okay? Then object, then V1, and then RC you can use according to sentence, okay? Like that. For example, मुझे पढ़ने दो, मुझे पढ़ने दो, okay? So guys, I will use a pattern to form this sentence like that. Let me study. Let me study. That's a sentence. Guys, do means late. Do means late. And padna, that means MB. MB is first form. And mujhe is the object. Okay. So at the first we have to use late. Then I used here late. Then object. Then I used here object as a me. And then V1, it's mean MB is first form. It means study. Is that clear? Yes. And arts is not given here. So guys, this sentence belong to permission methods. मुझे पढ़ने दो, it's mean I am seeking permission. So that's why I use this patterns. Is that clear? For example, हमें जाने दो, हमें जाने दो. Then how can you form like that? Let us go. Let us go. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So do means late. Okay. Then object means हमें. It's mean us. And then MB's first form go. Is that clear? Yes. So हमें जाने दो. For example, I say उन्हें पार्टी में नाचने दो. उन्हें पार्टी में नाचने दो. Is that clear? So let them dance in the party. In the party. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Guys, in the party is the RC, dance is the V1, them is the object, and do is the light according to topic. Is that clear?
Yes,
so उन्हें party में नाचने दो. It's mean first of all we have to use light, then object, it's mean उन्हें, then V1, it's mean dance, and then RC, party में, in the party. Is that clear? Yes. It's very easy to seek the permission according to spoken English. Then we can use this pattern, light plus object plus V1 plus RC. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy pattern. Once again, I repeat that. First of all, you have to use light, then object, then V1. It's mean and this first form, then RC if is given in the sentence. Otherwise, no. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, now I will explain you second method. Then how can we use late according to sentence? Okay, first of all, like that, subject, then late, okay, then object, then V1, and then RC. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is the second patterns. For example, like Suman ने मुझे कार चलाने दी. Is that clear?
Yes,
Allowed me to drive the car. For this situation, we can use subject plus light plus object, then V1, then plus RC. Is that clear? For example, सुमन ने मुझे कार चलाने दी. It's mean सुमन let me drive car. Is that clear? Suman, let me drive car. It means Suman is the subject. This is late according to format. Me is the object. drive is the V1 and car is the RC. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Same situation. It's mean to seek permission. Okay. सुमन ने मुझे कार चलाने को दी. It's mean Suman granted me a permission to drive the car. In that condition, according to informal spoken English, we can use this tricks. It's mean subject plus late plus object, then V1, then plus RC. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
For example, मनसा ने शादी में हमें नाचने दिया. हमें नाचने दिया. Okay, it's meant permission granted by the Mansa, because Mansa was the event manager in the party. Okay, so without permission of the event manager, we cannot dance on the streets during the wedding functions. Is that clear? So we took the permission from the from the Mansa. So Mansa. So I will use here a sentence. Mansa let us. Okay, let us dance. Let us dance. Okay, in weddings. In wedding. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, once again. Mansa let us dance in wedding party. We can say. Do you understand? Yes. So in both sentences, you are looking that subject is granting permission to do something. In that condition, we can use late according to positive sentence under spoken English is an informal behavior. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So guys, if you like this pattern, if you like these rules, if you like this ZR, then you can follow. So then you can use it. You can share it at social media handles. Is that clear?
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys. All the best.